This is a 1952 4-ton Dodge truck. Back in the day, it was nicknamed the Pilot House because of these rear quarter windows and an extended windshield. So it's kind of like the cockpit of an airplane. I took it out on the highway and it runs and drives like you would think a 1952 4-ton truck would drive. It drove like a street-legal tank. It's extremely clean. It recently sold at a Mecum auto auction and they've got some pretty high standards. And I only found one other one on the internet, so it's very rare and very cool. I want to thank my friend Tim for letting me review this exceptional vintage truck. And I'll see you guys in the next video.